Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. As you can see, an EP3 in various stages of wrap. That's a very green, very almost Focus RS coloured wrap on this. And this one is here today for an ECU exchange and remap. It's got some modifications. It's got an induction kit, a 4-to-1 manifold. It's got a middle res delete, nice, and an M2 back box. So we're going to see what power we can make out of this old EP3. Let's make some noise. Here we go.
Well, another EP3 tuned, and as you can see, this one's a bit green.
I think we took a step back here, standing here.
No, I like it. I've looked back through some of our older videos, and it's lighter and it's brighter. We seem more alert.
Oh, okay. Maybe because we're having to stand up.
Yeah, perhaps. So yeah, EP3 tune came in with a stock ECU, but the gentleman had already purchased another ECU, which unfortunately had a problem, just wouldn't read and write, would it?
Yeah, basically it came with error and no online, so it wouldn't obviously do anything. So we put one of our exchange ECUs in there. just to rule out obviously any other problems. Obviously works straight away, so we've tuned on one of ours now, to be fair.
Yeah, I mean, this car's got a K&N induction kit, a 4-to-1 manifold decat of some description, a middle res delete, which is why it's a bit raspy and a bit loud, and an M2 back box. But, you know, it's mapped up well. It's made 50...
What I would class as minimal breathing mods.
Sure. It's made 50 brake horsepower in that mid-range, though, Rich, which is
Yeah,
still
to be fair.
just from software, which
Yeah,
is
yeah, made
fantastic.
great gains across the whole graph. I mean, we have not made power anywhere, so should feel fantastic, to be fair.
Yeah, I think it will. I think we finish on 223.
Yeah, I think that's all right, given the mods.
Good stuff. Good
Yeah.
stuff. It's got some flames like you've just seen, which are almost always my favourite part. So hopefully he enjoys them, and this will be a ripper. So he's obviously going to go and tear up the streets with it, and hopefully we'll get some feedback from him. But let's have a look at the graph.
Let's have a look at that graph.
Let's do it.
Okay, so say it with me, lads. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. That's a 50 brake horsepower increase at 6,000 RPM, so that's pretty spectacular, and I think he's going to absolutely enjoy the drive of it now. It's going to bring it to life. We finish on 223, 188 at the wheels. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll see you on the next one.
And I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.